Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Welcome back to my channel. So today our focus is going to be on shapes. Our focus is going to be on all the beautiful shapes. Our letter this week is the letter C. So as you know from my previous videos, we always start with our daily circle time, which is the weather. We go through the phonetic sounds from A through Z. We do our numbers 0 through 10. We talk about the date, and we also do name recognition. Also, since the letter of the week is the letter C, we'll probably sing a song catered to that letter. We'll talk about it. I'll allow her to feel and touch the letter and so forth. We'll also read a story. Today's story is going to be Lottie Paris Lives Here. My daughter loves this book. Oh my goodness. Lottie Paris Lives Here. So what she's going to do is take these pieces and she's going to put them on the board. And since this puzzle board also has colors, I'm also going to have her take the various crayon colors and place them in the right spots. Some she can do herself, while others she will need my assistance. What we're also going to do is we're going to do our flashcards with our shapes here. And once we are done with our flashcard shapes, I'm going to take these little felt cutouts, and she's going to have to match the shape of the felt cutout to the shape that is on the flashcard. So that's one activity. And then she's also going to play this puzzle, which is just putting the shapes, I'll take them all out, and then she'll have to put them all in, which she's trying to do now. So that is the day. What I'll do is show you some demonstration of what she's doing throughout the day. So I guess she wants to do it now. So just stay tuned to the end of the video, and what I'll do is I'll put in some quick demonstrations of how she does each of these activities. All right. Have a good one, and see you in the next video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, boy.
White triangle. Where does the right triangle go? This is white triangle. Let's put it in there. Good girl. Let's turn it over. Turn it. Excellent. How about this? The orange oval. Excellent job. Go ahead, you got it. Put it in. How about the blue diamond? The blue diamond, they put it this way. So let's look for the blue diamond. No, that's a purple circle. Blue diamond. You had it. Good. What is the next color? Ooh, black. Where does the black one go? 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 Excellent. Let's fix it. Go ahead and fix it. Excellent. Where does that star go? Right here. Can you show me which one is the rectangle? Excellent. Now let's just put it on top. Good girl. Great job. Now, let's do the next shape. The next shape is oval. Which one is an oval? Which one is an oval? Which one is oval? Is it this one or this one? Good girl! Okay, the next shape is a triangle. Which one is a triangle?